13 right. Runway 13 left closed, including all intersections except for Taxiway Bravo and Taxiway Juliet. All runway 13 right intersections closed except for Taxiway Alpha, Taxiway Kilo, and Taxiway Lima. All hold short bars are still in effect. Then standard location.
So that's the new ATIS with the runways closed. Both the old 13 left and right are closed, and they moved the active runway to what used to be Taxiway Charlie. So there actually is a new plate that shows it the way that it is. So one reason to fly with current plates and airport diagrams. SoCal Skyline 5153 Golf is 15 to the west, descending through 4,700, landing Palm Springs with Kilo.
5153 Golf, SoCal approach, squawk 0216.
0216, 5153 Golf. 0216.
53 Golf, radar contact, make straight approach, runway 13 right, Palm Springs altimeter 2980.
980, straight in for 13 right, 53 Golf. So it's interesting, it's the only runway they have here, but they're still calling it 13 right. And I guess that's because, my guess, and I haven't been here, but they have not probably painted over the numbers for 13 left. So even though 13 right has a big X on it and it's closed, I'm sure 13 left also has an X and is closed. But my guess is the numbers are still visible from the air. So in case you're wondering, why don't they just call it 13 if it's the only runway there? I think it's to confuse you.
53 Golf, contact Palm Springs Tower 119.7.
Going to tower, 53 Golf. Came down too quickly, the ears are popping. Palm Springs Tower, Skyline 5153 Golf, descending through 2,800.
Skyline 5153 Golf, Palm Springs Tower, runway 13 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 13 right, 53 Golf. And am I correct that I'm going to have to go to the end and get off at Alpha?
That's 53 Golf. Affirmative, and you're also aware that Taxiway Charlie is now runway 13 right?
Yeah, I'm aware of all that. I'm just wondering, I'm going to request a long landing, and I'm not going to taxi for 2 miles.
If you're going to go to Atlantic, you can turn left at Bravo. Otherwise, if you want to go to Signature, you're going to want to roll all the way to the end.
All right, request long landing, 13 right, 53 Golf.
That's 53 Golf, approved.
53 Golf, thanks. No, I'll have to go back and research what the blinking light means. I guess land here. Just so that I'm sure Alpha is all the way to the end and it parallels that. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm shooting for the last 1,000-foot marker because there's some wind. They were saying 090 at 10, so it's a left crosswind. Gas undercarriage mixture. All right, slowing it up. So, yeah, I'm shooting for, it's going to be a 1,000-foot landing, and then we're going to roll out to the end. That's the dealio there. There's no cross on this runway.
Skylane 53 Golf, contact Palm Springs Tower 119.7.
Go to tower, 53 Golf, thanks. Palm Springs Tower, Skyline 5153 Golf, descending through 2,100, parking at the West T hangars.
Skyline 5153 Golf, Palm Springs Tower, roger. Intersections available for you will be kilos. Plan a long landing. Wind 32016, gust 28, runway 31 left, clear to land.
That all works. We'll plan for kilo and clear to land, 31 left, 53 Golf. Perfect. All right, there's the runway. I've identified it. Kilo is kind of where the displaced threshold used to be. It's on the other side. I don't remember where that was, but I'm going to flare. Oh, it's where the displaced threshold. Yeah, they've still got it the same way. It's the same configuration as the old runway. They blanked it out on the chart, Get full flaps, we got the runway made. Start to slow it up. Not a lot of wind right there. I'm not sure why there's, well, it's another 5 knots. Still got a mile. You get really excited because there's the runway, but it's like, yeah, we still got a mile. Another, at this speed, we've got 53 knots over the ground. 22 knots of windage. Let's see. So now I see the little blue airplane. I see Kilo way down there. Yeah, it's about 20 knots. 50. Good chance to see what the wind is doing. So again, I'm almost, there's the tower, I'm abeam the tower. And then there's the hangar, and I said I wanted to flare like here, but man, I still got a ways to go. Because I'll be able to stop this thing on a dime. 29 knots of wind. Look at this. I'm taking it all the way to the end. That's crazy. Whoa! Alpha's ahead. Coming up on Alpha right here.
Skyline 53 Golf from Sea Shore.
Yeah, this is 5153 Golf. Are these still the hold bars?
Skyline 53 Golf, that's affirmative. Contact tower 119.7.
I will go to tower 53 Golf, thanks. Palm Springs Tower, Skyline 5153 Golf, holding short 31 left, heading toward Banning.
Skyline 5153 Golf, Palm Springs Tower, and departure, turn left heading 290, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, left to 290, 5153 Golf. This is the runway that's open. She said the 290 should be over there. Power's coming in, we're keeping an eye on it. It should be fine, full power. Better than when it started. Everything is top of the arc. Airspeed's alive. Let's do a little soft field takeoff. This 3-1 left used to be Taxiway Charlie. So they did a nice job of painting this. It's already got all kinds of rubber on it from all the jets that have landed in the last week or so. But it looks just like a runway. Doesn't look like a taxiway anymore. Got some equipment over here working. And there's your 10,000 foot runway. Got some airspeed built up. We'll let it climb.